Hello, I'm Danny and welcome to HP Bikes. Today is a typical unboxing video. Yes, I have fallen into the YouTube trap of showing all my camera gear. Now, for 5 or 6 years I've been using the drift cameras, and they've been great cameras, but the last camera's been a bit unreliable. I've decided to change it up a bit, and yes, I've been a sheep and I've followed the GoPro trend. So today I'm actually going to show you a typical unboxing of the GoPro Hero 9. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, so forgive me, I've never done one of these videos before, so it's all going to be a bit fumbly and whatnot, but I'll try and keep everything in shot as best I can. Yeah. And as you can see, this is a brand new, still sealed, so we're going to whip that off here. We've also bought some other things as well, which I'll go into and show you later. But yeah, so by the looks of it, so I've never ever had a GoPro before in my life, so this is a new one on me. So it comes in quite a cool soft case, well, hard case, but soft, you know what I mean. And we'll open it up and then we'll have a look. So here we go. It looks pretty good. It doesn't look to be a great deal in here. So we have the cable, which I assume is the charging cable, and then we have a curved mount and the thumb screw, one battery, and the click mount thingy. That looks quite nice actually. It's got like a rubber thingy, which apparently I believe is a new feature. Does it focus? So yes, that's quite cool. And then we have the actual GoPro itself. Try and get it out. So yeah, that's I tell you what, it's quite chunky. It's a lot chunkier than I'd expected. But yeah, let's see what else we've got in this pouch. Let's see how much. So it's just a gubbin, subscribe to GoPro and all this sort of stuff. Let's see if we can turn it on, shall we? How do we turn it on, Dan? I'd say with that one there. I've no idea whether I have a battery in this or not. So let's just pull this off. Is it turned on? I don't even know where there's a battery. I think the battery's in there. No, the battery's here. Watch me break it. I think it's like that. Maybe. There we go. Okay, there's no battery. I thought it came with a spare battery. Anyway, let's have a look. Slide that in. Looks like it goes in that way. Push that in. Does it go in further or does it go the other way? Have I just knackered it? No, it goes that way. There we go, it goes in like that. Shut it shut. Let's power it on. Okay, and that's it turning on. Looks quite smart. That's my okay, that seems fairly straightforward. It's also got the screen on the front, which is quite smart, which is going to help with selfies and whatnot and doing all that sort of shenanigans. But yeah, I mean, overall it seems like it's quite a decent package. Now, this wasn't the only thing I bought. Just turn it off. So we'll put that back in the case. The case seems quite smart. And then let's just put all this back in there. Put that in there like so. Right, the other things I bought, because obviously being a vlogger and whatnot, I bought, let me just move them completely out of the way. Now, you're not a real man unless you have a letter opener, so I bought the Media Mod, which basically enables me to plug in an external mic a lot easier without having loads of adapters and whatnot. So let's see what this entails. So this was about 80 quid, which is bonkers amounts of money, but we'll go with it. Right, let's see, how do we get in this? So that's the cage now that goes on the GoPro. So that's now getting quite chunky now, but it has to be done so you can get an external mic in there. But it's made of pretty tough plastic, so that's quite cool. Wonder how waterproof that is. And that the exterior mic is not going to is not going to stay on there very well. That muff isn't when I'm on the bike. So yeah, that'll be interesting to see that, how that pans out. And it comes with, what does it come with? Let me see in here. Pretty sure it came with another battery. I thought this. So let's see. So we got another mount in there. Open that up. And then we've got another one of those screwy things. So it comes with this mount here, which, let's open this up. Right. So that goes. So that is another mount. Not quite well out. Okay, right. I see. That's another mount, and then obviously another one of those screws. Got loads of these now because I bought something else as well from Amazon. So those 3 bits. Now I don't know about you, but I can't see the 80 quid's worth of value in that, but we'll move on, shall we? Okay, and then the next thing I bought was the extra battery and charger. So let's just open this up and see what this is all about. So once again, this was about 40 quid, I think, not a great deal. But once again, it's meant to come with 2 batteries, and there's only 1 battery. Where's the other battery? I've been done up here. Where is the other battery? Almost certain it's meant to come with 2 batteries. Dual battery charger and battery. Now that's just sneaky, that is. So I thought I was getting 4 batteries. But actually it's a dual battery charger with only 1 battery. Now that doesn't seem like great value to me for the price. But I suppose this is the GoPro world, because the other thing is with a GoPro is to mount it on your helmet. With my old drift camera, it was just quite easy. You would just fit on the helmet and it stuck on, and you twisted the end and it got it there. But with this, you need so many brackets and stuff. But anyway, this is going to be the setup. I haven't quite worked out where it's going to fit on my camera yet, on my helmet, and how it's all going to look and everything. But we'll get there and we'll work it out. And I'm hoping the video is going to look pretty good at the end of it. So yeah. Okay, so I've had the GoPro now for about 3 months, and it's now come to the stage of me editing the video, and I figured I may as well just show you how I've got it installed on my helmet. Now this helmet is very old, it actually needs replacing, so it's kind of a temporary fix, and it was just kind of, yeah, something just to yeah. But going forward, we're now 2021, and it might just last another year. I may just get a new visor and stuff, but anyway, that's not the point. Here I am is to show you how I've fitted the GoPro mount onto the helmet. So let me just get this on here. So this is the slightly curved mount that comes with the GoPro. Let me just try and get a focus on it for you. And so I've stuck it on with 3M tape, and then I added a few extra bits of 3M tape on the bottom, and then I've used something called Sugru, which is, I think it was a spicy recommended spicy 110, suggested about using Sugru. It's like a pliable rubber. Now I never thought this would be any good, but to be honest, I've done nearly 1,000 miles now with this on this helmet, and as you can see, I've got quite a good finish. Yeah, I've got quite a good finish with it, and I definitely would yeah, I definitely would keep to it, really. I quite like it. So yeah, so I just you kind of just, yeah, Sugru, and then you kind of lick your finger and rub it around, but that is on there solid. And then I have the media mod, obviously because I need to use the external camera. And then just the simple GoPro mount, I think comes with the media mod, and then that obviously then just slides. That just slides up there, and I'll just do it 1 second. Just go like that. You've got to take this rubber thing out. slides up, that goes in, and then that sits there on the front of the helmet like so, and then you've got your thumb screw down here. So yeah, and that gives me the footage that you'll see in the forthcoming videos. So I don't think it looks too bad, too bulbous. It actually sits on there reasonably level as well. So yeah, so that's kind of the setup I've got. I've also then got my external mic, which is kind of running round, and then the cable kind of pokes out the back and goes into there as well. So yeah, that's the setup I'm running, and I think it works right. I'm not too convinced the sound is perfect, but it is somewhere here. So yeah, so that's kind of where we're at with it. I may tweak it in the future. I have also got an external recorder, so if the weather's really bad or I'm going through some big puddles or whatever, I can plug in the recorder and have it in my coat pocket to keep it dry and whatnot. But anyway, right, so I think that's enough for this. So yeah, so actually going on like 3 months. The GoPro itself is awesome. There's a lot of faffing, which I'll get to in another video. But overall, I'm quite happy. Yeah. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.